My friends at Shore sent me this outlet, and I'm very excited because of the shape, the construction, and because this is what I'm going to keep on my right here on my table, on my production table, because this the shape makes it comfortable for you to keep it on the table, because sometimes those plugs like I have there are uncomfortable to have like on the table, but this is really convenient. It comes with everything, so this is the way the box looks, and wow, this is really nice. And what I like the best is how it's set up. So you see, it has 4 plugs on the top. Look it up. 2 on the side. This is a great design. 2 on the side as well. But what I'm most excited about is that it has right there USB C and USB A. Is a total of 4 of those plugs. This is awesome because then you can plug anything to charge here, your laptop, your controller, your phone, the headphones, anything that you want, you can plug into this, without populating the other things. Because usually, if you want to, right, if you want to plug, let's say, your phone, you would have to connect one of these here, right? And that's, I mean, you could do it, but if you have just the cable, you connect it directly, and it's going to be nice. Now, I like this. I like the way that the plug is built. Really nice and chic. It comes with the Velcro so that you can store it. And the cable is braided. This is really nice because it protects the cable inside. So this means that this is going to be really, really durable, right? Now, you know what? Who I recommend this for? This is perfect for DJs. I'm a mobile DJ as well. This is perfect for DJs because you can put it right there on the table, right there with you, right? And it's not long. You can plug your things, and it fits perfect in a book bag. This is really, really good. This is perfect for that. So I'm gonna keep one of these here, and then I'm gonna get one for my DJ bag, because that way, you know how sometimes when you're in the DJ booth, a person will come and ask you to charge their phone, and you just ask them the cable, and boom, you plug it right in there, and it's it. It's plastic. It's sturdy. It feels sturdy. It has a mounting brackets. You see those mounting brackets back there? Let's see if the brackets don't come in here. But if you got screws like that, you screw them there, and then you can affix it to a wall, and that will make it really, really nice and convenient, either to a wall or in the desk, right? So you can put it on the side of a desk or under the desk, and then you could be set. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, and thank you for the people at Shure for sending it to me for this review, and I 100% recommend it, and I'm going to use it. Hey, this is a great stocking stuffer. Merry Christmas.